Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this KitchenAid espresso machine 5KAS 64 or 503. And now let's have a look at this awesome and so beautiful machine out there. That's delicious looking good. Oh, KitchenAid is a really good, reliable brand which comes from the United States of America and brings us so much awesome devices for the KitchenAid. Here, that it is a new one, an Artisan KitchenAid, and this is an espresso machine. It's a really cool thing because it comes with a residential first dual smart temperature sensor and a pre-infusion and a 15-bar Italian pump, a 58mm commercial-grade portafilter, a dosage selector, and it's really easy to clean. We have so much thing in the box, as you can see. First thing is we have documentation, of course. We enjoy espressos, lattes, and cappuccinos just the way we like. With that KitchenAid semi-automatic espresso machine, is it possible? This is the first residential espresso machine that features dual smart temperature sensors that maintain the perfect brewing temperature shot after shot. And delicious shots. And you can see you can make so many different beverage, hot or cold beverage, water, a little bit of chocolate or coffee, of course. You can make so many beverage with that semi-automatic espresso machine. Really cool. That's really cool. And it's possible because the fast heating thermocoil technology heats the water up to the ideal brewing temperature in less than 45 seconds. And the low pressure pre-infusion and the 15-bar Italian pump work together to make a delicious, rich, thick crema. And this is a cool thing, really cool. There's optional possible to buy a delicious automatic milk frother attachment for it. Or you have a set in your country, or you buy this separately or in a set with an automatic milk frother attachment. Or you can use in the main feature here, this comes with a steam vent. With a steam vent you can make your own hot water, hot steam, and you can make hot water, of course, to make a tea, to make other beverage with that hot water, for example, or you make steam to make froth, milk, to make awesome milk froth with it. And there is more. Everything what we need is included because the only thing what we need will be fresh coffee out of coffee beans. And the best thing to get this is a coffee grinder. For example, it works really awesome together with a KitchenAid coffee grinder 5K G8433. Why? Because there is a portafilter included, 58mm. And this matches to the coffee grinder. Super. And then you can use the coffee grinder to get the coffee, grinded coffee, onto the portafilter. And then you can use the portafilter with that machine here, with the espresso machine, to make a delicious and super fresh espresso with one shot or two shots, as you like. You can choose by using only one button on that machine, because there is one button to switch between coffee, steam, and water. And the next button is switch one or two shots. And there are different shots devices, a single wall one shot, a single wall two shot, a double wall one shot, and a double wall two shot. This is compatible with the portafilter of 58mm. And this will need, with the coffee scoop and the tamper, it will need coffee, grinded coffee. If you have ground coffee, get it in there, then temper it and get it into position into the espresso machine, and then you can push only one button and your delicious coffee, your shot is ready. Of course, in the set are a milk pitcher too, to make often froth with milk, and it looks really good here. You can see. That's cool. You can programmable dosing. You can make a cup warmer, or you have a cup warmer on top of the device. This preheats our caps while we are brewing our perfect espresso shot. And there are residential first dual smart temperature sensors that actively communicate with each other throughout the brew process to ensure the optimal temperature and an authentic tasting espresso as well. The fast heating thermocoil technology heats the water up to the ideal brewing temperature in less than 45 seconds. And this is awesome because this is fast, and it is good because of the 15-bar Italian pump and a pre-infusion. The low pressure pre-infusion, which slowly and steadily adds the water to ground coffee to expand before extraction. And the optimal pressure from the 15-bar Italian pump work together to make a delicious, rich, thick crema. And here you can see there are a bunch of double wall shots and single wall shots. Two of them are included to make the right coffee size as you like. Espresso. Because this is only for espresso, and this you can easy tamper and easy to get into the machine. Then, of course, there is a coffee scoop, and of course there is the steam wand included. The steam wand transported the water and steam into your milk pitcher. The 55mm commercial-grade portafilter helps maintain the optimal heat through extraction. Designed with two recessed spouts to enable a flat base for easier, more stable tamping versus the traditional residential espresso portafilters. Includes the single wall basket for greater control of full-bodied shots and double wall pressurized baskets that help reduce the extraction variability. That is easy, and it's durable, and it's a heavy part because it is made out of high quality materials. This is the commercial grade portafilter. There is a cover for the water tank included, of course, to make a good and nice looking device. Of course, this will protect your water tank from dripping thumb insects or other parts which can drop in it. Okay, so and here is the machine itself. The machine is packed with a lot of paper, and this is good. And now we can see the dimensions are really good because it's not so big. It comes with a 21 pound only, 1460 watt power. The cord length is 3/1/5 and 60 watt electrical. So you can see this is a good and awesome designed, delicious looking espresso machine, and there is a big water tank with for fresh water. Maximum is 1.4 liters capacity, and this is enough for a lot of shots out there. And these shots are really delicious, I can tell you. On the bottom side, you can see there are 4 good feet, and of course you can wrap around to adjust the length of your power cable of it. Then you can see it comes in this case in a red awesome color. Of course, it's all available in black and silver and a lot of other colors too. And these colors are so beautiful and it matches so great to the other KitchenAid Artisan program pillions out there. That means this here is the perfect grind for our perfect espresso. We'll add the KitchenAid burr to it. Then it comes in a good team. This is the KCG8433 to our daily espresso routine for authentic tasting results here. This is sold separately, of course, but this is the main machine, and it comes with so many awesome professional things, and with a pre-infusion and a 15-bar Italian pump, and of course on the front side you can see only 4 buttons. One button, the first button, the left button, can switch between coffee or beverage, then steam, and then water. The second button will adjust 1 or 2 shots. The third is to clean the device, and the fourth is to play and abort the process. It's easy, as you can see. We have a really good designed drip tray. The drip tray is easy to remove, easy to handle, and of course easy to reattach. And it comes with a good quality materials. I think it's ABS plastic, but ABS is a good plastic. And the drip tray itself is, I think it's stainless steel. So we have a water tank, capacity 1.4 liters, with a water tank handle. We have a water tank lid. We have a cup warmer on top of the machine. We have a drip tray plate, a drip tray itself. We have the main power on-off switch on the backside of the pillions. We have a steam wand. A steam wand release button is also included. And a portafilter, 58 millimeters. We have the mode button for espresso, steam, or hot water. A dose button for 1 and 2 shots. A clean cycle button, a start cancel button, and an empty drip tray indicator, which will give us information that the drip tray is full with water, and a group heat. So everything what we need is there. A milk pitcher, a coffee scooper, a tamper, a different single wall and double wall shots, and that is the espresso machine 5KAS 6403 or 6503. It's a good combination with the coffee grinder from KitchenAid, or of course you can use it without a grinder and make grounded coffee with it. And you can make with the espresso machine delicious espresso or a lot of other beverage, like cappuccino, like espresso, of course, or different other beverage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.